Hey guys, Terrence here, your computer concierge with Computers Plus, located at 3330 Cobb Parker Street 154 in Acworth, Georgia. And you're probably wondering, how did he know I'm having Wi-Fi issues? For those that don't know, if you're experiencing bad weather, bad rain, snow, that will affect your wireless transmission to your laptop, to your desktop. For those that don't know, they're like, Terrence, I got fiber, but you're using it on a wireless transmission, and that will affect your Wi-Fi. So if you're wondering why your Wi-Fi is going slow, if you look out your window and if you can see rain pouring down, that's going to be an issue. They fixed it. They fixed a lot of issues. Comcast makes a lot of improvements through technology with things that they can do, but it's your router. So, and also sometimes your router could be bad. You know, I get customers that will come in and will say, you know what? I can't get anything on my Wi-Fi. Is something wrong with my computer? Nope, it's your router. Routers have a tendency of overheating at times, especially if you got an older router and it's maybe 3 years old. You may want to call your service provider and say, I need to upgrade my router, because they typically upgrade them every 18 months. Sometimes I know Comcast, you know, it feels like every 6 months with Comcast. But so if you haven't upgraded if you're sitting right now and you're saying, you know what, I got this Comcast box 4 years ago. They made some improvements. They made some great improvements. 5G now. You can get 5G in your house. 6G's already coming out. I mean, for those that like 6G's like already there in most places that are out there, you know, especially overseas. 6G is out. So that can be a key component of also why you might be experiencing Wi-Fi. For those that don't know, we do a food drive every single day. And what we do is, if you come in and you're looking to purchase a device or maybe looking to get something fixed, if you bring in canned goods, we'll give you a discount off your service and off your repair. That's the same thing. I said the same thing. Okay, I meant your service or your product. Yes, your service or your product. You will get a discount. So you bring 25 canned goods in, you get $25 off of your service or off of something that you want to purchase here at Computers Plus. You might even get it for free. I mean, some things, we got some really great products in here, some really great gadgets, some cords, some HDMI cables, some USB Type-C cables, some Apple USB Type-C cables. We have a lot of different products out here. So if you are looking to help feed Cobb County, looking to expand in the giving, because without giving, I think, you know, it's important that we give as much as we possibly can, and that's the way that we give through Computers Plus, is we do a food drive. So we donate our service and our products to our community, and you can donate some food, and we can all be happy. How about that? What's happening in April? April is our annual Easter egg contest, and what that is, and what that entails, is that what we do is we put eggs all around our store. And if you find an egg, one per customer, you get what's in the egg. And it's not going to be a rotten egg, so don't worry about it. We're not going to, that's pretty funny. I mean, no. It's not going to be a rotten egg. It's going to be either a discount off your service, maybe a free gift. It could be a tablet, or it could be a laptop. We do this every single year. And so it's our way of celebrating Easter and also having some fun with it, right? It's all about fun. And more fun is coming more and more ahead with Computers Plus. We got our location in Kennesaw up and running. So if you're looking to recycle, if you're a business and you need to recycle some stuff, visit our Cherokee location. We also service, we also sell computers as well. So it's a mini Computers Plus. You got to take a look at it. It's 3473 Cherokee Street. Now, I also want to give out, you guys probably know this, we've since closed our location in Carsville. And it's under new ownership, and so we're looking, we love you guys, we love Carsville, we want to come back. We're still servicing customers in Carsville, and we are going to continue to service those customers. It does not matter, because that's what Computers Plus, our goal is to service our customers when they need us. And so if you're in Carsville, Rockmart, Rome, we're still here. We got you covered. We got techs in that area. So, you know, our techs are in Rockmart. We have techs in Jasper. We have techs in Marietta. We have techs in Roswell, Alpharetta. So our network of tech support expands through Georgia and beyond. We have customers in different states as well. If you want to get more information on how you can get protected and how you get more information about Computers Plus, visit us on the website at computersplususa.com. Check out our blog section. We do that every single day, and it's news we put out there as to keep you safe. We can't get everything. We can't cover everything, but there's a lot of information out there that I know you guys could definitely deserve to hear and need, because it doesn't always hit the news, and it's not like the most coolest thing to talk about, you know, but it's something that we need to talk about because there's hacks and scams happening every single day. I just had a customer that came in and same thing, you know, click this. And, you know, there was a time 3 years ago, right, where, well, you know, I didn't download it. Now you just have to click the link. If you go to a bad website, and depending on how they made that website, you could think you click in the exit out, and you just went to another website. And now, because you went to that other website, you just downloaded something. So it's getting really, really more challenging, figuring out these hackers, these people that just love to make our lives miserable. But that's where our goal is to keep you guys safe, and that's what we do every single day. And I'm Terrence, your computer concierge, and like I said, we have techs throughout the city, throughout the county, and throughout the country. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.